I guess for me, I've pretty much just been obsessed with flowers for as long as I can remember. And I guess it's always just been a dream of mine.
I've always sort of been into arts and music and everything, and yeah, floristry was something that just popped into my head and it just stuck.
My mum was a florist and I started to work with her when I was about 12, and so I was always amongst it. I just like all the organic part of floristry, so that's why I got into it.
I grew up in a beautiful garden, so my mum was always in the garden and I was always out there picking flowers. From there grew a massive passion for floristry. Do have the ability to have a working shop, so the students have hands-on experience with setting up displays, seeing customers come in and choose their items. They actually sell what they can make.
Having the shop's really good. Valentine's Day was great because we got a lot of people coming in and gave us the opportunity to sell the product.
The amount of events that we actually do, so we actually have weddings and events that happen within the Institute.
One of my favourite things that we've done so far was being able to do the floristry for an event called Kaleidoscope, which was in collaboration with the hair and beauty and the fashion students. That was an awesome experience. We got to go to Fed Square, we got to dress up. Really unique experience, which was really cool to be able to do.
The teachers are amazing. They just make it such a great environment to come in and learn, and they inspire us. Yeah, it's just such a nice, happy environment to be in.
Really supportive and encouraging, which is good, and always there to help and answer questions whenever needed.
We have been able to do so many different pieces and items, and learning from people who are actually in the industry and still relevant has been really awesome, because we're not just learning the old traditional methods, we're learning that, but we're also learning the little tips and tricks that are being used right now, and that's been really valuable and a testament to the teachers here.
So the main thing I love about being a teacher is the achievement that the students get at the end, and just watching them grow and evolve and become more confident with what they're making.
Seeing them on their first week struggling to wrap a single rose to the end of year display and how far they've grown. So it's very rewarding.
I think one day my ultimate dream would be to have my own business back in Tassie, where I'm from. Maybe even like my own little flower farm, but in the meantime I think I just want to get as much experience as like working for other people and learning as much as I can.
After finishing this course, I'm hoping to dive straight into getting work in the floristry industry. I want to do freelancing, doing weddings and events, but also getting a job in a florist would be awesome as well. Yeah, just want to immerse myself fully into it.
My long-term goal is to open my own business. It's one of the most relaxing industries that I've ever worked in. What you're creating is beautiful, so yeah, 100% do it.
You don't mind getting your hands dirty, you like flowers, you love problem solving. It is hard work, but it's really, really rewarding with how happy it makes you. If you're thinking about applying for floristry, please do, because it is the most amazing career and I'm so glad I chose it.
If you're thinking of studying floristry, just do it. It's honestly the best thing I've ever done.